morning and welcome to the Thum English. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. The Supreme Court has expressed serious concerns over the misuse of Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code, which penalizes cruelty by husbands and their relatives against married women. Opposition leaders have initiated a no-confidence motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, accusing him of disrupting parliament proceedings and damaging the nation's democratic values. In a significant act of defiance, rebels in Syria have torched the tomb of former Syrian President Hafez al-Assad in his hometown of Kardaha. The incident highlights the ongoing conflict and deep-seated animosity towards the Assad regime. Iran has introduced stringent new laws that could result in death penalty or lengthy prison sentences for women who defy mandatory hijab regulations. The move is seen as a further crackdown on women's rights and individual freedoms in the country. The tragic suicide of a Bengaluru techie has ignited a nationwide debate on misuse of legal provisions, particularly those related to domestic violence. Violent protests erupted in Maharashtra's Parbhani city after a replica of the Indian Constitution was vandalized. The incident sparked outrage among Ambedkarite activists, leading to clashes with the police. A Bangladeshi court has denied bail to a Hindu priest who was arrested on charges of sedition. The priest associated with the ISKCON is now facing serious allegations that could lead him to imprisonment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has praised the innovative spirit of India's youth and assured them of government support in overcoming challenges. He interacted with the young innovators at the Smart India Hackathon Grand Finale. Former South Korean Defense Minister Kim Jong-hyun attempted suicide after being arrested on charges of involvement in a potential insurrection. He is currently under medical observation. Millions of users face disruption as ChatGPT and Meta platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook experience global outages. The BJP held a meeting to discuss the ongoing political crisis in Bangladesh, particularly concerning the safety and well-being of the Hindu minority. The meeting comes after India's Foreign Secretary visit Dhaka. The ongoing conflict in Sudan has resulted in the deaths of over 127 civilians due to airstrikes and shelling by warring factions. The humanitarian crisis continues to worsen. Leaked information suggests that Pakistani army planned a brutal crackdown on protesters supporting former Prime Minister Imran Khan, involving various tactics like communication blackouts and live ammunition. A Taliban minister, Khalilur Rahman Haqqani, was killed in a suicide bombing claimed by ISIS Khorasan. Haqqani was a key figure in Taliban government and the Haqqani network. Elon Musk's net worth has surged past $4 billion, making him the first person to achieve this milestone. The increase is primarily due to a valuation hike for his company SpaceX. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching the Thum.